This delivery driver used to carelessly throw the customers' packages. One day, a different driver came and did the same thing. First, he rang the doorbell aggressively, then tried to put the package in the delivery box. But when he couldn't, he angrily threw it. The security alarm even went off. The homeowner saw everything and had the option to file a complaint. But instead, they decided to handle it differently. They prepared a box with snacks and iced water, leaving a note thanking the delivery drivers. "Thank you for working hard in this heat." After this small gesture, the driver's behavior started to change. Packages were now placed more carefully, and the snacks and drinks were regularly taken. One day, a driver gently placed the package, took a drink, and even thanked the homeowner.